food lovers and aspiring chefs. Today, we're embarking on a culinary journey that goes beyond mere recipes. We're not just making a dish, we're immersing ourselves in a hands-on cooking class. A lesson designed to unlock the secrets behind every delicious bite. We'll be exploring a flavorful recipe, yes, but the heart of our lesson lies in understanding the why behind each step. Forget rote instructions, this is about truly understanding and mastering the art of cooking. Let's dive right in, shall we? First, let's gather our essential ingredients. We'll be working with vibrant, freshly picked tomatoes, fragrant, aromatic basil, creamy, melt in your mouth, mozzarella cheese, and a generous drizzle of the finest extra virgin olive oil. But why these specific components? Consider this: the tomatoes lend their refreshing acidity and natural sweetness, offering a balanced counterpoint to the richness of the other ingredients. The basil, with its verdant leaves and intoxicating aroma, adds a layer of herbal complexity that elevates the entire dish. The mozzarella provides a smooth, milky creaminess that envelops the other flavors. Finally, the olive oil, with its fruity nuances and subtle bitterness, ties everything together, creating a symphony of tastes. Each ingredient is carefully selected and plays a crucial, well-considered role. Now, let's move on to the preparation. We'll gently slice our ripe tomatoes, taking care to achieve even thickness. Why is this so critical? Precise, even slices ensure that the tomatoes cook uniformly, guaranteeing the optimal texture and flavor in every single bite. If you happen to possess a serrated knife, this is the perfect tool for the task. Remember, a sharp knife is your most valuable ally in the kitchen. It makes slicing not only safer, but also significantly more efficient and enjoyable. Patience and precision at this stage will pay off handsomely. Next, we'll turn our attention to the basil. We'll delicately tear the leaves, rather than chopping them with a slight, gentle hand. Why this seemingly minor detail? Tearing the basil leaves liberates their essential oils more effectively than chopping, imbuing the dish with a more intense and complex burst of flavor. While chiffonade is another perfectly acceptable and, indeed, elegant technique. The choice ultimately depends on your own personal preference and the desired aesthetic. Now, let's prepare the mozzarella. We want to create uniform slices to pair perfectly with the tomatoes. Remember, visual presentation is an important element. It enhances our sensory experience and contributes to the overall enjoyment of the dish. Now, it's assembly time. Carefully lay out the tomato slices, followed by the mozzarella, and interspersed with the torn basil. A gentle sprinkling of sea salt and freshly ground black pepper will enhance and intensify the natural flavors of the ingredients.